Eat another one. Eat another one. Lewis on his atomic wings, guys.
First time.
Yup, first time.
Fuck.
What's going through your head, man?
How? And you were evil, man. These people are more evil than you were.
I think Lewis is getting possessed.
A little order the rice. If you go to the restaurant, before you go, wash your hands
wash
really,
your
really
hands.
good.
Wash your hands before, or try not to use your hands.
Yeah, I learned my lesson.
I learned my lesson too. I think we all learned our lesson that day.
Yeah, Eric almost hyperventilated the first time.
Oh, I know you
more water.
You need more water? Ask for another cup for him.
If I can cry.
It's like putting lemon on an open scab.
How do you feel right about now? Good? Perfect? Like you're in heaven?
Yeah.
Just raise your hand. Ask her for another one. Ask her. Free water. Can I have more water? Please. Excuse me. Can I have more water? We're good?
Yeah. What'd you do?
You drink your water.
Here you go. You drink it. You don't want it? Take it. Alright.
Keep eating them, dude.
What do you got? 3 more to go.
He has to finish them clean though.
Yeah, like this.
I can't leave them that clean. I don't know how you leave them that clean. I don't like chicken wings. The only time I eat them is when they're atomic or boneless.
Fuck, I'm shaking.
Damn, guys.
You good, Louis?
I'll take my lemon though.